The only thing you need to reduce your emotions is not the power of three, it is actually this. So the first step of this overall strategy is you want to identify a fair value gap either on the 5 minute or the 15 minute, right? So we have a fair value gap over here. Price is now looking to come into, right? So as you can see here, price comes into this area. It is only at this region do we go into the 1 minute time frame. Now from here in the 1 minute time frame, we had a very, very interesting piece of price action, which is this wick over here. But I will explain to you why price reacted off this wick the way it did. So this wick over here was actually full of aggressive sellers, right? But the market here had lots of buyers inside of this wick, right? When you see a wick with both aggressive sellers and aggressive buyers, you need to ask yourself which fair value gap are we in? So we're in a bullish fair value gap marked out with the blue, and we saw so many sellers in this region, but none of them were rewarded. In fact, we saw a very, very large shift from sellers to buyers. Now, once you see that, this now makes the strategy very, very simple to understand, right? Because we have a nice kind of imbalance over here and price has rejected it very comfortably. So you can take a trade off this region and you can have your stop loss below this fair value gap, right? Once you can understand who is aggressive and who is passive, the markets then become very, very simple to trade, right? So if we continue to see how this played out, we had a nice kind of 2 hour trade in our favor, right? So what you need to understand is that the markets are simply moving from fair value gap to fair value gap.